Really spicy. Woo. Now then, Douglas Master reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we are getting spicy with a little dedication to my main man, Song-woo Park. Song-woo is an evil genius, creative mastermind chef at Silo. So today we're doing Gochujang, roasted cauliflower. So spicy, smoky Korean paste rubbed all over this cauliflower's noggin. And yes, if the vegans can hear, this is a plant-based dish. Song-woo, how's it going? Got some smoked beautiful Korean chili flakes here. Just a quick favour, as you have inspired today's dish, could you please help us in enunciating the word gochujang?
Hey Doug, Koh-choo-jan.
This is by no means a traditional recipe. We're going to be using fresh bell peppers and we're going to singe the skins off directly on the gas. If you don't have gas, don't worry, just roast it in a really hot oven until it's completely soft. Otherwise we're going to use some miso. Traditionally it is a fermented red miso. We're just going to use white miso, which is available and zero waste. Here is the smoked Korean chili flakes. This is what will bring the smoke, the spice, and the depth of flavour and the nod to Korea. Some ginger, some garlic, and a little bit of oil. Blend it all together, and that's going to be ready to spread on our cauliflower's noggin. While these red peppers are roasting, we also need to roast the cauliflower. Now, one important thing, don't throw away the cauliflower leaves. This is going to be an important garnish for our final dish. Cauliflower, roast. Roast it hard for about 40 minutes. When your peppers are sufficiently burnt, just peel them like so. You can leave this little black on, but I'm going to take it off just because I don't want much bitterness, but don't be too precious about getting every little morsel off. It's all good in the hood. To make the paste, just deflesh the pepper. Make sure there's no extra moisture in that. Don't be too sloppy. The ginger, the miso, the smoked chili, the garlic, the oil, the sesame oil, and whiz it all up in a little blender. Woo! Look at that, beauty. So spread it on. Something very sinister about this. Now it's time to finish this demonic cauliflower head. We're just going to take some sesame seeds, sprinkle it over the top, finish the whole thing for the last sort of 15-20 minutes. And of course, in true holistic zero waste style, we're going to shred up the cauliflower stems. It's going to be raw, we're going to dress it, and we're going to serve that cauliflower brain atop a bed of its own stems. It's showtime. Ooh, look at that. That is one of the most attractive cosmic things I've ever cooked in my entire career. Look at it, it's magnificent. It's like a world. With all these people that live on this world, it's spectacular. They smell delicious, I bet they taste even better. We will glide through this tender, steamy, juicy, spicy, sweet, magnificent. Look at that. That is genius. That is a piece of art. Piece of art. So To finish the dish, serve it with anything you want. Serve it with yogurt, vegan yogurt, serve it with grains, big hit of lemon. Sesame oil. So to finish the dish, if you like it spicy, take a little bit more of the raw paste, whack it onto the middle. And then we're going to slice this like a steak. Gently, gently. So tender. It is time to eat this whole roasted cauliflower Gochujang. So totally plant-based. This is a tribute to Sungwoo Park. You are a cosmic creative, and yeah, this dish is dedicated to you, my friend. Okay, time to eat. It's nice and tender. Salty, sour, spicy, really spicy. Woo! Oh my nose. Oh, wow. If you don't like it spicy, don't put the raw paste at the bottom. Woo! That's hot. Tasty. A little ginger, a little garlic, a lot of chili. A lot of crunch. End of transmission.